In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3 integration, exercise 3.3, question number 11. And question we have function of x equal to integral 1 plus x, or we can make under root like this, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x dx. Right, what we will do first, see, it is 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x in under root. We have to multiply and divide with 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x and dx. We have solved these kind of questions before. See, here in the denominator we have 1 minus x, so you have to multiply and divide with 1 and x, but here you have to use the positive sign. If it is positive, here we will use negative sign. If it is negative, then we will use the positive sign. Opposite sign we have to use, so we have to divide 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x, and then it is equal to, see, in the numerator we have 1 plus x into 1 plus x. It means we have 1 plus x 2 times like this, and in the denominator we have 1 minus x square, a square minus b square, like this. Now we will suppose, because this exercise is based on the substitute method, so sine x is equal to sine theta, so dx will be cos theta d theta. So see here, this is x. Instead of x, we have to use sine theta. So I can do here, it will be equal to 1 plus sine theta square, because in the numerator we have 1 plus x whole square. So 1 plus sine theta whole square divided by 1 minus sine square theta. This is not whole square, this is only x square. So it will be equal to, see, this square will cancel this. So in the numerator we have 1 plus sine theta, and in the denominator we have 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. So still we have the under root sign in the denominator, which is equal to under root 1 cos square theta. And see here, this is dx as well. Instead of dx cos theta d theta, you have to write down cos theta d theta, and here too cos theta and d theta. So in the next step, 1 plus sine theta will remain the same. This square will cancel this under root. So in the denominator, we have only cos theta left, multiplied by cos theta d theta. And this cos theta will cross this. Only we have 1 plus sine theta d theta left. Right, now we have two terms, and we have to use the integral sign. So we will do the integration separately. First is 1 d theta plus integral of sine theta d theta. Why? Because we have 1 plus sine theta d theta left here. So see, the integration for 1 d theta is only theta minus sine theta, which is equal to cos theta, and now we will use the constant of integration c. But this is not our answer, because here we have supposed that x is equal to sine theta, right? And here is cos theta, so we have to convert this cos theta into sine theta. How? I will show you here. It is again very easy. So it is theta minus, instead of this cos theta, I can write down 1 minus sine square theta, right? But the question arises, why I am using 1 minus sine square theta under root instead of cos theta? So here I will show you, because whatever step you do, you should know each and every step very well. So you know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So only cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. but here we have only cos theta. We do not have cos square. So in order to make it cos square, right, we will under root, take the under root of both side. So this 2 will cross this under root, only cos theta we have 1 minus sine square theta. That is why I have used 1 minus sine square theta under root instead of cos theta. So now we will put the value this theta minus 1 minus sine square theta. So see here, I will show you from here. If I need theta, the value of theta from here, which is equal to theta is equal to sine inverse x over a from here. And if I say sine theta, which is equal to x, so what we have to do, it is 1 minus x square plus c, and then instead of theta I can use sine inverse. It is, sorry, there is no only sine inverse, right? Because we have supposed x is equal to sine theta, so theta is equal to sine inverse x. So sine inverse x minus 1 minus x square plus c. This is the answer now. See here what we did in the first step. We have to multiply and divide whatever we have in the denominator but with the opposite sign, right? So this one is the formula 1 plus x is whole square, and in the bottom we have a square minus b square. Solve it. If still you have any question, without any hesitation you can ask me, and thanks for watching.